Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to demystify how you can authenticate instance users with credentials such as username and password. By default, password authentication is not enabled in AWS ec2, and if you're working with a team of 4 developers or more than 1 developers, you find that if you don't have password authentication enabled, your users use the same credentials to access the EC2. So it will be a bit harder for you to be able now to track which developer did what and at what time, because they are using the same credentials. How can you be able now to create credentials for each and every developer so that when you are tracking, you're able now to see this was done by this developer and at this time. So that's what we are going to achieve in this video. I have an instance here that I want us to test with. And now I want to connect to this instance via PowerShell. I have a PAM file here for that instance. I'm now connecting to my instance here. So the name of the PAM is Docker EC2 key. Then the root user is EC2 user. Then I want to copy this public IP address. Copy that one. Yes, and not that one is a .pem. .pem. Yes, we have logged into our EC2 without having a password, and now you can imagine having more than 2 or more than 1 users that are using your EC2. They are accessing using the PEM file or even through PuTTY. There's no credentials for each and every user. So I want us to be able now to track these users with their credentials. So for us to be able now to enable password authentication, first let us authenticate the root user. How can we authenticate a root user? So let's create password for the root user. So sudo ec2 user Yes, we have created the password for this root user. Then the next thing is enabling the password authentication on the SSH deconfiguration. So let's go to cd etc SSH. Then here we can edit this file, sudo nano ssh d config file. So in this file, we are going to do some changes, and we are going to start with this one, password authentication. we change it from no to yes. Then we comment this out. Great. Then we'll add another line for permitting root user to log in with the password. And we say yes. We are done with this file, so let us save changes. So let's go to the root directory. Then from there we can restart our SSHD. Let's start it. Yeah. Then I want us to exit from the instance so that we log in and see if it will ask for password. Let me clear. Before I clear, let me go ahead and now I want to be using a PEM file. This is now created the credentials for the root user. It will ask for password, so I put my password. Get. I have logged in using the user credentials. So let's get another user and that user log in using his credentials. So sudo add user. Let's call this Daniel. Enter. We get password for this user. Sudo Daniel. So let me create a password for this user. Yeah, so let me exit and log in as a new user. Great. So our user is Daniel. Login. Daniel password. Yes, I have logged in as a Daniel, as you can see here, and the user logged in as a EC2 user. So that's how you're able now to separate accounts, to be able now to track your EC2 users. So guys, thank you very much. I'm sure I made it simple for you to understand. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.